So you want to change the temperature unit for the air conditioning system of Kia Sportage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the AC temperature unit from Celsius to Fahrenheit or from Fahrenheit to Celsius in your Kia Sportage. It's a quick and easy process that you can do right from the comfort of your driver's seat through the user settings in the instrument cluster screen. First things first, make sure your ignition is turned on or start your engine. Once that's done, locate and press the menu button on your steering wheel. The user settings menu will appear on the instrument cluster display. From here, scroll down using the lever on your steering wheel until you find the Other option. Select Other and then press the OK button to enter the submenu. Next, you will see a list of options, and one of them is temperature unit. Go ahead and select that by pressing the OK button. Now you are presented with two choices, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Choose the one that suits your preference by using the steering wheel controls to highlight your selection, then press OK to confirm. And that's it, you have successfully changed the AC temperature unit in your Sportage. It's a simple adjustment that can make your driving experience even more personalized. Thanks for watching and consider subscribing to WheelsJoint for more helpful car tips.